Good morning, pupils. My name is Mrs. Ebube from the Graduate Group of Schools, Gwarimpa Campus. Today is Monday, the 11th of May, 2020. Remember, it's 2020, not 2020. Today on English Studies, we'll be discussing uses of capital letters. What are capital letters? Remember your teacher when you were in grade nursery section, used to teach you capital letter A, small letter A, capital letter B, small letter B. Today we are discussing just the capital letters. So capital letters are letters which are written in size larger than often. They are written in size what? Larger than often. Examples of capital letters are, look at this one. This is capital letter A, capital letter B, capital letter C, capital letter D, and capital letter E. So now I want to explain to you how do we use these capital letters. Number one is to start a sentence. When you want to start a sentence, when you want to say something, you say maybe I like to play. You don't write your I in a small letter. You don't write it in a small letter like this. You make sure you start it with a capital letter I. The second one is for special days. Who knows Children's Day? You like Children's Day, right? Yeah. So Children's Day is also written. You start the children in capital letter. Special days of the year are also written in what? Capital letters. Another one is for your names. When you want to write your name, you're not allowed to write your name with a small letter. To start it with a small letter. You must always start your name with a capital letter. You start with the what? Capital letter. Remember, capital letters are those bigger than often. Another one is for locations. We have different locations. Like which state are you from? Good, your state. So if you want to write your state, make sure you write your state starting with a capital letter. Nigeria is a country. We are from Nigeria, West Africa, right? Nigeria is written with a capital letter. It started with a capital letter. Abuja, FCT Abuja. Look at it here. It's right. It's written with a capital letter. Lagos is written with a what? Capital letter. Another one we have is months of the year. Do you remember the months of the year? January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. 1 year. Remember those months? Yes. When you want to write them, always make sure you start them with a what? Capital letter. You start with a what? Capital letter. Another one is days of the week. Who remembers the days of the week? There are 7 days. There are 7 days. There are 7 days in a week. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. So those days of the week, make sure you write them in what? You start writing your days of the week with a what? Capital letter. With a what? Capital letter. Now I'm going to give you ways at which I use my own capital letter. Number one, I'm going to read you a sentence. Read with me, okay? Chisom, you see my Chisom is somebody's name, and I started Chisom with a capital letter. Chisom and Sanusi went to the Abuja is a place, park to celebrate Children's Day. Do you notice the ones I underlined are the words I said you should always start with a capital letter? Though they are within the sentences, but I started them with what? A capital letter. Another one is number 2 is I and Tunde. Tunde is the name of somebody's name. Are going to see Miriam. Miriam is somebody's name in Lagos on Tuesday. Are you noticing them? This is supposed to be underlined because it's the location. This is also a day of the week. So you see why I underlined them. If you understand this, I'd like you to write a composition for me as your homework. Okay? This composition says, my name is what? What is your name? I need you to write it for me. And remember, when you're writing it, your name should start with a what? Capital letter. Another one is I am from which state? Which state are you from? You remember? Good. So write it for me here. I was born on the what day of what year? Remember, the 7 months of the year are written in what? Capital letters. Are written in what? Capital letters. Make sure you stay safe, wash your hands, and I'll see you in my next class. Bye bye.